CarbonEthics, 3 years of impact.
This year marks our third year of growing stronger. All this time, we bring the earth closer to our hearts by protecting and conserving the nature. As time went on, across Indonesia lies a lush feeding ground for marine organisms, reveals their magical ability to pull carbon from the atmosphere and lock it into the marine ecosystem. While our trees are breathing, it does not only help the earth and the marine ecosystem breathe. It also brings life to the coastal communities who are at the heart of our conservation work.
Alhamdulillah kalau soal pengalaman banyak yang saya dapatkan dari segi menanam, menjaga bibit, dan juga dari segi ekonomi sangat terbantu lah.
Semoga kedepannya nanti kita jaga untuk masa depan anak cucu, seperti kalau seandainya mereka sudah pada besar, ibaratkan kalau mangrove ini sudah besar, nanti bisa dilindungi untuk ikan, menjaga kehidupan habitat laut, berteduhnya ikan, udang, ketam, itu bisa bermanfaat bagi anak cucu kita ke depan.
Kami tani mangrove ini istilahnya terbantu karena CarbonEthics ini dari segi perekonomian, terus dari segi aktivitas kami, terus dari istilah berdampak positif lah untuk keluarga dan kehidupan masyarakat kami.
All of these began with your beliefs, who are passionately supporting our cause to restore the climate balance. Every action counts, and every growth is precious. Together, we strive to keep a balance between life and climate by conserving the blue carbon ecosystem and enhancing the livelihood of coastal communities. To sustain our impact, we empower our organization to be versatile, to balance between supporting climate actions, answering the social and economic needs of the community, and developing young climate leaders. We are grateful for the role we are playing in the biggest fight in mankind's history. Let's continue to protect and conserve our nature.